Monkeys intelligent, playful, and full of surprises. From using tools to forming strong social bonds, these amazing animals have a lot more going on than just swinging through trees. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 most fascinating facts about monkeys, and trust me, number 7 will really surprise you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interesting animal facts. Fact number 1. Not all monkeys are the same. Let's start with a basic but important fact. Not all monkeys are the same. There are over 260 different species of monkeys, and they're divided into two main groups. Old World monkeys found in Africa and Asia. New World monkeys found in Central and South America. They differ in everything from their tails to their noses. For example, only New World monkeys have prehensile tails, and Old World monkeys have downward-facing nostrils like humans. Knowing which is which helps you understand how they live and adapt in their environments. Fact number 2. Some monkeys have prehensile tails. Speaking of tails, let's talk about one of the coolest monkey features, the prehensile tail. Certain monkeys, especially those from the rainforests of South America like spider monkeys and howler monkeys, have tails that act like an extra limb. They use them to grab branches, hang upside down, and even pick things up. Old World monkeys don't have this feature, making it one of the biggest differences between the two groups. Fact number 3. Monkeys use tools. Monkeys are smarter than many people think. Some, like capuchin monkeys, have been observed using tools to make life easier. They use rocks to crack nuts, sticks to dig insects out of trees, and even use leaves as cups to drink water. This kind of tool use shows a high level of problem-solving ability, once believed to be a purely human trait. Fact number 4. Monkeys understand the concept of money. In a fascinating experiment, scientists taught capuchin monkeys to use tokens to buy food. The monkeys quickly learned to trade tokens for rewards, and even showed behaviors like budgeting and stealing. Some monkeys even started gambling with the tokens. While they obviously don't understand money the way we do, they clearly grasp basic concepts of value and exchange. Fact number 5. Monkeys have complex social lives. Monkeys are very social creatures. They live in groups called troops, often made up of dozens of individuals. These troops have hierarchies, relationships, and even politics. Monkeys groom each other not just for hygiene, but to build trust, settle disputes, and strengthen social bonds. Some species even form coalitions and long-term friendships. Fact number 6. Some monkeys can learn sign language. While not every monkey has been taught sign language, a few have shown they can understand and use basic signs. They didn't just repeat signs, they used them to express needs, emotions, and even questions. This shows just how intelligent and communicative our primate relatives can be. Fact number 7. Howler monkeys are among the loudest land animals. If you've ever heard a howler monkey, you'll never forget it. They're considered the loudest land animals in the Americas. Their booming calls can travel up to 3 miles through thick jungle, used to mark territory and communicate with other groups. It's nature's version of a megaphone. Fact number 8. The world's smallest monkey is tiny. The pygmy marmoset holds the title of the smallest monkey in the world. It grows to just about 5 inches in height and weighs around 100 grams, about as much as a bar of chocolate. Despite its tiny size, it can leap far distances and lives high up in the canopy of the Amazon rainforest. Fact number 9. Some monkeys are incredibly colorful. One of the most visually striking monkeys is the mandrill, known for its brightly colored face and rear. Males have bold red and blue skin patterns, which signal strength and dominance. The brighter the colors, the higher the monkey's status. This is one of the best examples of how physical appearance plays a role in monkey social systems. Fact number 10. Monkeys share most of their DNA with humans. Here's the fact that amazes most people. Monkeys share a large percentage of their DNA with us. For example, rhesus macaques share about 93% of their genetic makeup with humans. This is why monkeys are often studied in medical research and why their behaviors seem so familiar. They laugh, grieve, solve problems, and even experience emotions much like we do. So there you have it. 10 incredible facts about monkeys.